Hey everyone, welcome to this overview video for the OPMC MYOB for WooCommerce plugin. Before we get started, if you want to get a copy of the MYOB plugin, head over to WooCommerce and find the MYOB integration for WooCommerce. We'll cover in this video connecting the plugin to your MYOB site and company file, importing and working with products, exporting invoices, and dealing with a few of the common issues you might run into. So to get started, install and activate the plugin. From your WooCommerce dashboard, you can then head to the plugin settings by going to WooCommerce, Settings, and navigating to the Integration section. From here, click MYOB Account Right, and you'll see the MYOB settings page. Now the first thing you want to do, and to be able to access the settings, will be to validate access to your MYOB account. There's two options. You can configure this via OAuth or using SSO. Click Validate Access to get started. This will direct you to the MYOB login page. Continue by clicking here to authenticate your WooCommerce site to MYOB. You will then be prompted for your username and password, and additionally two-factor authentication if required. Complete that and click Return to the plugin page, where you'll see the connection is established. Next, we'll want to establish a company file connection. To do this, use a valid admin username and password for the company file. If you are unsure, contact your MYOB administrator. Additionally, the default administrator for MYOB company files is administrator, so you can attempt to use this if you're not sure of the password. Enter administrator and leave the company file password field blank. If you have more than one company file, select the appropriate company file from the drop-down. Then click Connect. Great. You will now see additional settings pages which you can configure. On the connection settings page, you can see we are now connected to the company file and have connected to this appropriate company file specifically. Head back to configuration and begin the configuration. As you can see, the accounts fields will need to be assigned so that they can correctly work during the various sync processes. From the drop-downs, select the appropriate accounts and types for each item. Once you've completed the configuration on this page, click Save Changes. Additionally, at any point, you may need to debug the plugin. Use the setting here, Enable Debug Logging, to enable logging, which will present and help you to debug any errors you may experience. Click Save Changes. To debug the plugin at any point, use the debug logs. The logs are available in the Logging tab, which you will see displayed here in a table format, or additionally under the WooCommerce status page. From the WooCommerce status page, head over to Logs, and you should see an MYOB log. At present, there is no logs, so we'll head back to the settings page to configure the rest of the plugin. The MYOB plugin is a robust plugin. From the settings page, you can configure how the product inventory sync works. You can customize how invoices and customers are synced to MYOB, and you can also update the logic for retrying and automating sync processes. Let's get it started with a few examples of how the plugin works.